Why art is included in STEM became STEAM. It is pretty undeniable, most of the engineers who comes up a new innovation are practiced far more than maths, engineering, technological thinking. They're also using design thinking, communication, creativity, artistic skills to bring the innovation to the world. Most of the people are impressed by the image. We like beautiful things. We are easily attracted by a product with good design, and therefore, the first impression is very important. For whatever website we have seen, poster, advertisement, a car, building, or a smartphone, and the first impression that you gain from the products is from the appearance, and the appearance actually came from a design thinking. An engineer is focused on provide solution towards a problem, and a designer is focused on user experience. By working together, they can create a product to solve problem with fabulous user experience. Let's say an engineering design process is a complicated process. However, the creative arts are actually using the similar process in order to complete a good artwork. There are a few typical processes that used by engineers and artists, such as identify problem, brainstorm, plan, design, prototyping, test, obtain feedback, modify, or upgrade until the product meets the requirement. Therefore, STEAM education allowed teenagers and youngsters to discover wider skills and knowledge. The inclusion of arts into STEM is not to seize the priority of other elements. Instead, it enriched the learning process. STEAM education is now an all-rounded learning system for students.